Well, anyone will give an excuse if revenues are slowing and growth is not meeting expectations, and it's fine to say that China is a problem. It's a huge part of world growth. It's a major economy. The US is 20 trillion. China is 12. Europe is 12. So it's one of the big players. And the real disappointments in growth, you have to give it to them, has come on the technology and in particularly the industrial side. Whereas the retail, the what we will call the consumer staples or the consumer products that are more to do with I guess steady state and luxury demand have been able to hold up.
So I ask you a question now then. Is an iPhone, what is the top one now? Is it an X? Oh, excuse my ignorance.
X10.
X10, right. Is that a luxury product or is it a tech product? Because, of course, with the price point that they've tried to push it up to with Tim Cook, it's supposed to be a luxury product rather than just a tech product.
Yes, I'd call it, well, it's technology and industrials, and it's more dependent on, I'd say, Chinese activity and than it is than to major Chinese luxury retail demand. I'd say that we're comparing two different sources of demand worldwide, and that, funnily enough, it's been the retail side, the health side, the staple side that has done better over the last quarter than has the industrial, the technology, and let's call it the major consumer goods side. So I do understand why certain groups of corporates have said that Chinese demand has impacted them.
Apple is a luxury good in China, though, to me, because it has all the specifications of other products, but really what you're getting and what you're paying for is a highly priced device versus getting a much cheaper competitor from Asia. The question I have is whether this reflects a trade war. We know that the Chinese are very loyal to their country, and if there is a war that's been fought between the US and China, that there might be an aversion to buying a very high-profile US brand when you're not seeing any reflection in any other numbers. And you mentioned Hermes, we've got L'Oreal, but LVMH as well showed no move away from the current momentum. If it's just Apple that's having to reprice, does it beg the question, this is just trade?
It could be trade, but we may also be looking at effects sorry, that have to do with the access to the markets and the competition from other brands that are local Asian brands. And it has been difficult to support some of, let's call it, the intellectual property and some of the software and the other sources of income for major tech products in China, particularly when there's local competition. It's part of what they're trying to sort out in the trade.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.